Here is David Cook's story. Take a look.
My name is Andrew, and this is my brother David, and we're trying out for American Idol.
David Cook?
I got pulled from obscurity living in Tulsa, Oklahoma, bartending, and it's awe-inspiring. You have to be humbled by this. You have to.
Congratulations, David Cook. Yeah.
I tried out for the show on a whim, and so to be here now, you can't help but think that maybe there's something bigger than you going on.
You actually could win this entire show.
I feel like I'm already looking at the American Idol.
I think I have as good a chance as any to win it, but right now I'm enjoying the ride.